How to make a public profile on Snapchat. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a public profile on Snapchat. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Under the Bitmoji, you'll see Public Profile button. Tap it. If you already have one, it will say My Public Profile. Read the information about what a public profile means. It allows anyone to subscribe to your profile and see your public stories and spotlight submissions. Tap OK to proceed. You can now customize your public profile by adding a profile photo, bio, and location. To manage your public profile, go back to your profile page and tap My Public Profile. Here you can edit your profile details and privacy settings. Remember that anything you post to your public profile can be seen by anyone on Snapchat. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.